Hey everyone, in this video I am going to unbox perfumes from the fashion house Zara. Before starting unboxing, if you're new to VGS World and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I request you to do it now and support our channel. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. For those who are not aware of Zara Perfumes, they make clones of very famous perfumes. Here I have ordered Seoul and Lisboa combo perfume for men. I bought these perfumes from Zara home website, hence they are not selling their products on other e-commerce platforms like Flipkart or Amazon. You can get Zara products, clothing or apparels from their offline stores or directly from their online websites. They ship products across India. If you are purchasing more than 3000 rupees, then your shipping cost will be nil, or else you got to pay some bit of amount for shipping. If in case you want to try these famous perfumes, then I'll leave the links in the description below. You can go and grab one for yourself. MRP of these combo perfume is 1500 change, and along with the shipping cost I got it for around 1800 change. Here I have got two perfumes, Seoul and Lisboa. Seoul is a clone of Paco Rabanne Invictus, whereas Lisboa is the clone of Acqua di Gio from Giorgio Armani. Those perfumes are quite expensive, costs more than 10,000 rupees for 100 ml bottles, whereas these clone Zara perfumes cost like below 1/3 of that price point. So here we are getting quality as well as pocket-friendly fragrances from the brand Zara. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.